One of the things that I'm struggling right now is to wake up early in the morning again. Right now it's 7 a.m. I guess it is kind of early for some people, but it is not that early for me. I'm used to waking up at maybe 5:30 or even 6 a.m. I'm trying to aim for 4 a.m., but it just isn't working. See my eyes? Really tired because at the end of the day, I still need to make this video. And the last one, I just had something white in my hair, which kind of destroys the whole video. But other than that, I still look like I'm still asleep. So I'm gonna wake myself up, whatever it may be. I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys about one thing. That one thing, hold on. That one thing is this. This right here is probably my favorite backpack of all time. This is the Totepack by peakdesign. You know what? I'm gonna go talk to you guys right after this because it just looks like I'm half asleep, and yeah, you know the feeling. I wasn't gonna go do it because I don't know, I'm just feeling super lazy, but you know what? I'm just gonna go for a quick run. So I'll see you guys when I get back and finish showering, and then we can start about, and we can talk about the backpack. All right, I'm going. Okay, I used to cycle a lot, and I just haven't been doing that a lot lately because cycling has gotten kind of dangerous. I don't know. It isn't really any more dangerous than it used to be, but it's just that I'm by myself now instead of riding with the group, and riding on the street gets really scary just because some cars or trucks, they don't care. They just don't care. So I wanted to pick up something else that works on my cardio. Oh man, I'm dying. And I don't know if you guys know, I do have asthma, so cardio is not always the best thing, but I love it. And I don't want to be getting older and running out of energy. Time to go home, get ready, and still got to talk to you guys about the backpack, and I have about 20 minutes to do all that. Whew. Oh man, on my body, it's still, I think my metabolism is just going nuts because I'm still sweating even after the shower, after styling my hair, changing. It's a lot of stuff I've done and I'm still kind of sweating. Well, there's an overcast right now and there's not a lot of light coming in. Usually this spot will be pretty bright. Anyways, we're not talking about that. I have about 10 minutes before I get to work, so I'm gonna use that 10 minutes to talk to you guys about this. I gotta turn back down. This is what happens when you use natural light and you don't use a controlled light. This is what happens when you use a window light. It just keeps changing. Anyways, if it changes again, then you guys know what's going on. All right, this is the Totepack. This is made by peakdesign, and right now it's an everyday backpack for me, and it's definitely one of my favorite ones. I actually prefer everyday backpack than a camera bag. I bring around my camera almost everywhere I go just because I love taking pictures, and most of the time I want to have my camera there if I find an interesting shot. Some of you guys, you might say, why don't you just use your phone? Using a camera has a way different feel than using my phone. It actually looks way different. It's just, for me, it's just way better. I love it. So to each their own. Let's just talk about some pockets for this backpack. The front, you have one pocket, just this. just the front. And in here you have these little squares. Let's see if I can show you guys. Boom, you see these little pockets? They're like my SD card size. Actually, they're bigger, but like the shape's like an SD card. And then you have more on this side, two big ones, actually. Two big ones and one small one. I put my filter in here, my business card, my GoPro, AirPods. Ooh, I can put my AirPods in here. Nope, it doesn't fit. And all these things stays in here, even the lens cloth, to make sure that it's perfectly clean every time I shoot. So these are the things I always need with me when I go shooting. And that's pretty much it for the front. Just like that, it looks super clean. And then on the back, this isn't necessarily a pocket that you put stuff in. It's supposed to put these two shoulder strap in here so you can tuck it away and use it as a holding bag. But for me, I honestly never use it as a handbag. I will always use it as a backpack just because I don't want to waste my hand on a backpack. I just put my camera there. So it's always going to be on my back, so my hands are free. What I put in that pocket though is a lens cap. So if I ever take it out, I just slide it in there and now it stays there. So then anytime I need my lens cap, I know exactly where to find it. If we're gonna talk about the strap, it doesn't have a lot of cushions just because I think it's meant to be put inside. And I wish that it had the same mechanism that other Beak Design has where you just pull onto it and it tightens, because I adjust that a lot. This one, you can't really adjust it that way. You have to take out this pin right here and then pull it out and then repin it. And it's not the best because it's not fully adjustable. There's already areas where how much you can adjust it. I don't like that part. I wish they just did it like a regular backpack, but I understand why they did it. It's because you can put away the bag or the strap. The top handle right here does have a really nice feel. It does have a magnet right here, so it stays together as well. And you kind of just hold on to it if you want to pick it up and walk around with it a little bit. The zipper is pretty nice. I mean, it is for what it is. And on this side, it has a divider right there. I put my camera right here because I haven't found a better way to put my camera. So I just have it straight up. And since I have a 5DR, what am I saying? Since I have an R5 and my 15 to 35 millimeter, it's a pretty big lens. And it's a pretty big camera, so when I put it in, it takes up quite a bit of space in here. I just haven't found a better way. And this side, you can put whatever you want. I sometimes put my water bottle in here, but right now it's just my chest mount for my GoPro, because I do a lot of POV street shooting, and I think that would be cool just to always have it in there. So I just leave that there. And on this side, and if I ever wanted to use my 70 to 200, that goes in there as well. This side, if you guys look right in the middle, let me see if I can hold it up for you. Right there, you see that middle slot right there in here? That middle slot is basically to hold my tripod, my Peak Design tripod, my favorite tripod ever made. And then they also have a laptop pouch right here and a iPad one, maybe a notebook or iPad, that's up to you. But it does fit a laptop, and it feels like it actually fits a 15-inch easily, because it fits my 13-inch with extra room. So 15-inch will probably fit. Okay, it also comes with straps that you can hook onto this, all these little ones right here, and just wrap it around, and then you can put your jacket there, I don't know, an umbrella, other stuff there. If you don't want to put it inside, it just sits in the back or it sits on the bottom. Or it can even sit on top. Pretty much, I just use it just like this. And the reason why I love this backpack so much is because of the way it looks. You see, it looks nice. Like, it's not too big on me because I'm not a really big guy, right? And it feels like it fits perfectly on my back. The best part about it is that it is white and brown. It is such a perfect combination of colors. Like, I love this color scheme. It just looks great, and even a hint of black, and then hints of kind of like grayish brown. And as you may know, the only problem with white is that it can easily get dirty, and that is no difference in this case. I had this backpack for maybe about 2 weeks, and I already have stains on here. So if you guys don't want this color, they do make the black version. So get the black one. I just didn't want to just go all black, and I wanted to go tan. I just wanted to change space real quick because my phone was over here and I needed it to auto start my car real quick. If you guys have found this video useful so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, because those things actually really help my channel grow. And it can help me make more videos like this and other videos as well. Let's go back to the backpack. If you guys can see, it looks and feel really nice. It's not as big as the other Peak Design backpack that you've seen in the past. This is a 20 liter. So the other one is a 21, and then there's a 31. 31. Confirm. Yes. So it definitely does not fit as many things, but it is an everyday backpack, so you can pretty much carry it around all the time. Anyways, that's it. I gotta get ready and head to work, and then maybe we can chat afterward. But that's pretty much the backpack, and yeah, I do carry it everywhere, just not to the barber shop. One sec. I seriously was not joking when I said I have a lot of bags. Most of these are camera bags, some of them are like everyday backpack, but overall, I have a lot of bags. So when I said that this is my favorite backpack, it really means that it's my favorite backpack because I've tried a lot of backpack, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link to this backpack in the description below. And make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace out.